Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. Let us see what is coming up, guys, for your general energies and for your love energies, Pisces. Ace of Swords, Two of Pentacles, the Hangman, Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Cups. Hope you can see the cards here, guys. Ten of Pentacles. Pisces, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are really happy and content. You are feeling perfect with your present state of things. This may concern your work or in this relationship. You are happy where you are. Maybe you are in a good job. You have what you expect with your job, the work and the pay, whatever it is, you are having that contentment. And in this life with this person, you are feeling that happiness, guys, to be with them. So you are feeling happy to be with them. Maybe for some of you all, you may be buying some properties, house or land, or you may be making some investments in properties. That may also be the energy here, guys. And for some of you all, you may get family inheritance, something like that, parents or from grandparents, something that has come from them. So that may also be the energy here, guys. And you are feeling that extreme sense of success in certain things. Maybe this may be because the way things are going in your life, in your professional life and personal life, or some kind of new beginning is coming. This may concern your work, some new work or some new projects or some new agreements, something that is very lucrative to your business, to your work, that is coming towards you, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you are juggling between two things, maybe work or some decisions regarding work. So you do not know which way to go. You feel both the choices are equal and both are good for you, but you are not decided on that yet, guys. So you have that undecided energy about certain things in your life today. So that may be the energy with these cards, Pisces. And that doubt is there regarding certain things. So you are just waiting, thinking and reflecting what you need to do. So you are not taking this next step, guys, but as it is, you are really happy how things are going with your life, guys. You have your house, car, whatever it is, your person is there, your family, friends, whatever you need, that makes you really happy. So you have all those things, but you need to make certain decisions. So you are just waiting, thinking clearly what you need to do. You are reflecting within yourself that about that decision that you have to make, guys. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, Pisces. What is the energy with the other set of cards here? Are you overcoming your confusion? Are you overcoming that doubt you're having regarding that situation, regarding your choices? So let us see what is coming up, Pisces. Garden. Book. So with these cards, Pisces, I definitely see ending for your doubts, whatever it is, through knowledge, guys. Something you are getting some information about something, so you will be able to make that clear decision. That is what the energy with these cards. Maybe some friend or family member, they are coming with certain information about your situation, maybe what you need to do. If it is something that is concerning this relationship, I feel you are getting that too, some information from this friend of yours or some common friend, and you are able to make that clear decision what you want to make. Or if it is something with your work, with this card, with this book card, I see that you're getting that clear information, guys, and something is definitely ending. Maybe this doubt you are having regarding the situation, that undecided energies, something that you what to say, you are having doubts about, so that is coming to an end, guys. And for few of you all, you may be going out with friends or family or with this person, and you are having a good time with them, guys. You may be going to some party or some fundraisers, something, some kind of communal activity, and you are really happy for it, guys. You are spending time with others, and you are coming to a clear understanding, guys, in your situation. So that is also the energy here. You are coming to a clear understanding what is happening, and you are making your decision based on that. So what to say, so you're clearing the doubts whatever you're having. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Let us see what is the angels guidance for us today. I'll be picking one card from the angel guidance deck, guys. Face your challenges. Such an apt card for the situation, Pisces. The energy with this card is that, Pisces, we face challenges all throughout our life, guys, sometimes small, sometimes big. So how we deal with those, that is the most important point. So we have to, what to say, deal the obstacles in such a way that it clears the way for great opportunities. So in order to do that, we have to have the strength and courage, and we have to what to say, have a better attitude towards that facing that obstacle, guys. So when you do that, we will what to say, clearly understand our situation, and the way we face, way we overcome the challenges help us to grow and learn. So we have to have that courage and confidence in our heart. So that is what the angels are guiding us with today, guys, Pisces. So regarding this doubts you're having in your life, regarding certain decisions, you have to have that courage and confidence in yourself to think clearly and decide for yourself what is correct, guys. So that is what the angels are guiding us today to do. And that is the reading for today, Pisces. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.